Okay, we're 24 hours back, and this is our test batch. And I've cut up some pieces. It looks really great. Now I'm gonna let it cure. And it smells super fantastic. And it turned out really pretty. So some people are gonna get some really great soap samples. I'm also gonna cut this up today. Okay, now tonight we're gonna cut up our new cold soap so that it can cure. Wow, it is so easy to cut. Oop, let's see how much it weighs. .5. Okay, probably need to make this a little bit bigger because I'd rather us have 5-ounce bars. So let me move this backwards just a smidge to 3 ounces, or 3 inches, sorry, wide. See if that gives us what I think we're looking for. Oh, 5.3, better. A little bit back. Oh. Okay. And so there's dips here, so you'll see clearly there's going to be a little more weight to some than others because naturally it just sets up that way. Okay, have this beautiful orange poppy seed soap, and now I'm going to put it on a drying rack. And we have all these little baby pieces that I want to cure as well, so they'll go here. Those will cure faster, clearly, because they're smaller. It's still pretty soft. I am going to test one out, some of that crumble out, just to see what the lather looks like through time. Since lather increases as the drying or curing process takes hold. So I guess it's a good way to test it, is to, you know, test the runoff or the pieces that didn't get used. Just because I want to make sure it lathers really well. I know it smells really good. And I saved these little bits. This is the run-up I'm talking about that I chopped up to test out to see what the lather looks like after, you know, it's cured for a couple weeks. Clearly it shouldn't take that long. It should be 4 to 6 weeks for all of this to cure and be ready to be packaged and reduce all of the moisture inside. Yay, Orange Essence Poppyseed Soap.